Welcome to KSR Datavizon. There is a good news for US immigrants. As of now, who are staying in US, they need to working visa like either H1B or H4 EAD. Without these, if you lost the job, they need to come back to their own country. But now US Consulate given a new update who people can try for a job with a B1 and B2 visas also. Like a B1 means it's a business visa and B2 is for a traveling visa. People can travel to US, or else who are already staying in US and lost their job, and they can able to convert their H1B to the B1 or B2 visa, and they can stay for few more months for their job. Once they got the job, they can able to convert back their visa status to H1B. So it's a latest update, and it's a good news for the people who are staying in the US. And maybe any due to this critical situation, if anyone lose their job also, they have the more opportunities and more time to find for another new job. It's a really good relief for the people who are staying in US. Thank you guys.